Profit first practicalities. What I'm going to cover in this section is how can we magic profits? How does that work? How can we stop borrowing from the bank accounts once we get things in place? How can we actually determine what our allocations are going to be? How can we make allocations easier in our business? What do we do if we've got starting bank balance? What do we do if we've got money in the bank just now? How does that work? How do we start it all off? What does that look like? And how do we deal with this in our bookkeeping software? Now, before I dive into profit first practicalities, I do want to stress that we are where we are in business. And this is a line in the sand for you in getting this set up and implemented. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you are now. It doesn't matter where you are starting off. You can start right now. So do not get yourself caught up in but I just need to wait till month end. I just need to wait till Friday. I just need to start. Okay, that is one of the practicalities, is just getting started.